Okie dokie, let's write an equation given a graph. So here I'm given a linear equation, and I want to write a linear function, and I want to write an equation to go along with this graph. So the first step is to identify the slope. So the slope is rise over run, so I'm going to start at one point, and I go rise 1, and I run 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a positive slope. So the slope is m equals positive 1/4. Next, I need to identify the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. So that point is right here on the y-axis, which is b equals -2. We use the letter b to represent the y-intercept and m to represent the slope. So now I have my slope and I have my y-intercept from my graph, and now I can write it as an equation in this form: y equals m, which is 1/4, x minus 2, because my b is negative. So here's my y-intercept, here's my slope, and this is my final equation.